This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Auxiliary drive belt renewal. Pull the bonnet release lever located in the driver's footwell. Release the bonnet secondary catch and raise the bonnet. Unclip the bonnet prop and engage the prop to hold the bonnet open. Firmly apply the handbrake. Chock the rear wheels. Remove the wheel nut caps. Fit the locking wheel nut adapter, then slacken the wheel nuts. Position a jack under the vehicle and, noting the jacking point, raise the vehicle. Position axle stands and lower the vehicle onto the stands. Remove the jack. The wheel nuts can now be removed and the wheels removed from the vehicle. After removing the right-hand front wheel, undo the fixings and remove the right-hand front wheel arch liner. Once the wheel arch liner has been removed, access to the auxiliary belt is improved. Using a socket or spanner on the tensioner raised projection, turn the tensioner anti-clockwise against the spring tension. Hold the tensioner in this position by inserting a suitable drill bit or locking pin through the hole. Noting its routing, slip the drive belt off the pulleys and remove it from the engine. Before fitting the new belt, check the condition of the pulleys, shown here on the bench for clarity. Locate the drive belt onto the pulleys, making sure it's correctly routed. Turn back the tensioner and remove the locking pin or bolt, then release it, making sure that the drive belt ribs locate correctly on each of the pulley grooves. Place the front right-hand wheel arch liner back in position, then secure it by refitting all the fixings. If removed, refit the air cleaner assembly too. Refit the wheels and inset the wheel nuts. Loosely tighten the nuts. Position a jack under the vehicle. Raise the vehicle and remove the axle stands. Lower the vehicle to the ground and remove the jack. Tighten the wheel nuts and replace the covers. The chocks can now be removed from the rear wheels. Remove the bonnet prop from the bonnet and secure the prop in its stay. Close the bonnet.